So in this particular tutorial we will see how to create a conference call. So for that you are supposed to click on this create conference, and then you are supposed to click on this green button which is create Flipgrid conference. Here it is asking me for the title. I will give the title as my standard, like for which standard I am just creating this, and then the subject, and then my name, so that a student can easily get that. And then it is asking me for the status. So to be started, it means just it will just reflect in our application, like you are supposed to conduct this particular meet, but it will not clickable, like they can't just get access of it. And then it is asking me for the batch id, like for which batches I am just doing this. So if you just want to give it for a lot of batches, then you can just click at 1,2. So as but for now I'll just click on 1, so that it will be accessible for batch 1 only. Then I will just click on this particular start time, like for which timing I am supposed to start this particular conference. So you can just get this particular thing with just clicking on that particular calendar icon. And then I'll just choose one end time also, like for which time I'm just supposed to just end that particular conference. This both the fields are just optional, you can just choose or not, like it's on your opinion whether you want to choose or not. I'll just click on save. So this particular meet will be reflect on your application, but it will not be accessible for the student. Likewise, I'll just show you. If I just go in the live lecture section, so this particular meet is showing me right now the standard 1 maths by Uday sir. But if you just click on that particular meet, it is showing that the lecture is not started, as we have given the status as the ongoing. So now we are supposed to just change that particular field to ongoing, so that we can just take the lecture. So for that particular thing, I will just go in home and again click on conference, and just again click on create conference. And here it is, I will just update my conference by clicking on that pen icon. And then here I will just change the status to ongoing, and just click on save button, so that the students can now access my particular meet. And after changing the particular status of the meet, now I want to launch my meet. So for that I will just click on the launch conference, and here I can see my conference which is listed last. So I'll just click on that video, or like video icon on the last of that, and my conference call will be started like this. And now just to share, like here you can just share your screen by clicking on that screen icon. And the students will see that particular screen in their mobile phone when they will join that particular link. And here you can just chat, like you see the chat view, like whatever the students are asking by chatting, so you can see that particular thing by here. And then here you can just invite this, you are supposed to ignore this particular thing, like student will going to just see your thing in the application only, so you are not going to share any joining link there. And then these are the common functions you can utilize if you want to. Now just to end your meeting, you are supposed to tell your students to just end this particular call, and then at the last you are supposed to end being a teacher, so that this conference call will be ended. And then after you are finished with all these things, you are supposed to go in just create conference again and update the status of that particular conference to finish, so that it will not be visible in our application. Just like that, after just doing this particular thing, I am reopening my application. And after reopening, I will just click on that particular live lectures button here. So after clicking on live lectures, as you can see, there is no conference call which was just opened by me. So in this way you can just take the live lectures in Flipgrid.